Up for sale, 1957 Dodge D300. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. 57 Dodge D300, originally a fire department vehicle. Has 23,000 original miles on it. Has original 315 and the 4-speed manual trans. And as always, walk around and tell you about it. We'll fire it up and drive it. So here we go. We'll start here in the front. Of course, it's got the majority of its paint, and when it was retired, they painted over where it was, but it was a volunteer, like a PT. I actually had the fire marshal of the town stop to see it. That was kind of funny. It was a PTO vehicle, he believes. I'll read you about that over there. I'm pointing. But it looks like it says Franklin Township, and I looked it up, and it was New Jersey, which is pretty cool. It is a D300. It's huge. It's a dually with the back, dual back tires. The working siren, the working light on top. Of course, it's original paint. You got some of these cool pinstripes that are around there from, I don't know how long ago. So I had 157 Dodge. It was not a fire truck or fire department vehicle. It was a push button automatic. This one's much cooler. So I'm gonna open the engine here. 2 cans for this. Andrew, was it a real fire department truck to begin with? Well, what kind of generator do you put like that in a normal truck? So that's a monster generator to power, all the stuff that the vehicle had. Now, over here, it came with a 300-gallon tank, 200 gallon per minute AT, I don't know what that means, and 120 RPM, 1.5 knot. So this had a giant tank on there, just you know what I'm saying. Well, there's the original 315 in it, totally original engine compartment here. Nice red firewall, like of course it would be. You see the horn, which works, whatnot. But that generator is badass. Pardon my French. So siren works. Rochester, New York. So yeah, all the glass is actually in excellent condition. There's no cracks on the glass. You can see it here better, the Franklin Township, but I can't make out what the front is. You got the big monster tires on it, and the step rail that goes all the way around. Doors open and close like a dream. In here you got your all original interior. The seat, other than this rip right here, it's phenomenal condition. Of course, being low miles, and you could see the quality material that it was, like that hay in there. It's got its original floor mat in there, which is cracked up a little bit, probably from lifting where the battery is. But rock solid, like door jam, stuff like that. In here is very, very well preserved and very nice. We'll hop in it. The dash is beautiful. You got your Motorola. You can sit here, 9er, we got a fire going on. This is big red kind of a thing, with the Motorola, and then behind here is a big unit behind the seat. Turn signals, of course. You got your gauges, and this metal in the gauge and the gauges themselves, really nice condition. And again, top of the car, the inside cap red is really nice. And that's I believe that's the switch for the light on top that goes around. Here's your, well, I'll get to the bed in a second. Let me finish this little section here. All original wood bed. Looks like some kind of a tool. Other than those couple little marks, rock solid bed. nice original oak beds on trucks that, you know, have been around for a while are always nice to see. But I mean, even like the inner bed, it's not dented because it wasn't a work truck. Again, I'm just talking out of my butt here, but you got 2 books, axe, a couple nozzles, a couple hoses, another nozzle, whatever the hell this thing is, and this. So that's pretty cool. Fire extinguisher, again, something you don't know. How long has that been with this? Looks like something was cut out over there. Probably something was connected to it, and I don't know, maybe there was a unit that went through there and it was removed that way. Got your antenna that goes all the way up there. The underneath is really, really rock solid. I got pictures of that. That'll be on the ad. Again, it's a 23,000. I didn't even show you the odometer. Again, really, really, really cool. All the mirrors are great. This one's got a little crack up there. Another you know, little sign there. Look at this nice preservation in there. Even the door jamb. It's not even 23. It's 21. Not under 21,000. So, again, look at that windshield here. Very nice. And the back window too. So, it will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to check it out. 57 Dodge D300, you know, fire department truck. Comes with all the goodies on the back. Excuse me. We will fire it up now and then drive it, and you can see it go. Thank you. Stay on. It's